In this video, I'd like to talk about where you should practice Qigong. Now, you can practice Qigong really anywhere, and that's one of the things I love about it most. You can practice in a bedroom where you have a lot of space. You can practice outdoors in your backyard. You can practice in an office where you don't have much space to move around, but just enough to extend your arms around you. That's all the space you need. You can practice in your RUMPUS room or out on a beach like this, anywhere. That's what I love about it. But what I want to discuss is where in your mind, in your body, in your spirit do you practice Qigong from? And when we're learning Qigong in the beginning, we're often practicing from the body. We're learning how to move the body, how to move the feet, how to move with coordination, how to physically balance the body so we won't tip over. So we're learning to practice from our body. Then after a little bit of time, we might start to practice from our mind. So we start thinking about, what are we doing? When I do this movement here, what is that actually doing? What joint is it working on? What soft tissue, what muscles, which meridians, which internal organs? How is it affecting my Qi and my blood? This kind of practice becomes very mind-centered. Mind-centered practices are okay. It's great in some cases. But sometimes we could get a little bit too wrapped up in the details about, well, should I be doing it like this or like that? And we forget the third way of practicing, which is from your heart. So when you practice from your heart, that can mean you're practicing from a feeling of love and divinity, and you're connecting with the source and all this good stuff. It could mean that. But it could also simply mean being in the moment, connecting with what you're actually feeling. So with what you're feeling and connecting with that little piece of joy, of happiness, of love, of contentment, of mystery, of curiosity, of humor, whatever it could be. When you practice Qigong from your body or from your mind, there's definite benefit. But when we practice from our heart, it can totally shift and transform a Qigong practice from being just something we physically do that's light exercise and deep breathing to being a true healing technique. Perhaps you've heard of some really miraculous healing experiences from Qigong. I receive messages and emails every single day about the remarkable benefits people get from a simple Qigong practice. And it doesn't come from having complicated movements or secretive techniques. It comes from first learning the body, then learning how to practice from your mind, and then learning to practice from your heart. So let me know in the comment section below, is this something that you feel that you can do? Can you practice heart-based Qigong? Is this something you've tried a little bit before but don't quite know how to do, but you're working on it? I love hearing from you. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.
If you've enjoyed this style of Qigong, please come join the Immuni Qi for a wide variety of Qigong routines that's ideal for beginners or if you already have some experience. The Immuni Qi has convenient, simple Qigong practices that are safe, gentle, and effective to help you feel healthy and full of vitality. Come join us today. If you haven't already, be sure to sign up for our newsletter in the link below so we can notify you when we release new YouTube videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.